In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a shop on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. So that will actually be your page. If you are logged into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are not, you will find at the top right corner sign in option. If you click on it, you will be able to log in into your account or to create your account. Oh, sorry, let me just change the page for you. So here you are. So of course, once you click on it, you'll be able, as I said, to log in or to create your account. You'll be able to do one of those options with a Facebook account, Google account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Once you did one of the options, you will find yourself with this page with the welcome back sentence. And as I said, of course, if you want to create your account, or you create a shop or open a shop, as you can see for me, I already have a shop. So let me just turn you into this one. And of course, if I want to create a shop here, I would like to sign in into an account. So let me just go and sign in into one, and I'm coming back. So it looked like I cannot sign in into another a private window, sorry. So let me just get you back into this. So of course, if you want to create your account and you want to create your shop and you just actually open your account, you'll find yourself or an icon at the top right corner, which is this shop icon. If you click on it, you will not find yourself here at this page. You'll find some steps that you'll need to go through if you want to open your shop. It's actually simple. Just fill the necessary options, what you're gonna recognize with a star icon. Of course, those will be mandatory to fill, so fill all of them and you will actually be good to open your shop. Of course, once you open it, you'll find yourself here with this page in the dashboard, and of course you'll be able to list whatever items you have to start selling on your shop. So for me, my account is suspended because I didn't pay one bill, but ignore that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.